Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are excited to share with you our latest video on nail art designs. Whether you are attending seasonal and occasional nail art designs for a formal event or a special occasion, we have got you covered in this video. We will be showcasing some stunning and stylish nail art designs that are perfect for your monthly and occasional. From elegant to sophisticated nail art designs, we will be share our top picks and tips on how to style them. So let's get started and dive into the world of nail art designs. Nail art designs have become a popular form of self expression and creativity. From simple and elegant designs to intricate and bold patterns, nail art offers endless possibilities with various techniques, colors, and materials to choose from. Individuals can customize their nail art to suit their professional style and preferences. Whether it's for a special occasion or everyday wear, nail art designs can add a touch of personality and flair to one's appearance. From classic French tapes to elaborate 3D designs, nail art has evolved into a vibrant and dynamic art form that allows individuals to showcase their creativity and individuality. Trending nail art designs are abstract nail art, unique designs that push the boundaries of creativity, often featuring geometric patterns and bold colors. Geometric nail art designs are modern aesthetic with triangles, lines, and sequences, perfect for casual and formal events. 3D nail art designs, intricate designs with sculptured nails, embedded flowers, or other creative elements. Nail stamping, time saving techniques with endless creativity, perfect for intricate designs. Seasonal and occasional nail art designs, summer nails, bright colors, beach inspired designs, and tropical patterns. Valentine's Day nail art, heart shaped designs, pink and red hues, and romantic patterns. Christmas nails are candy cane strips, snowflakes, and festive colors. Abstract nail art designs use bold colors and geometric patterns to create a unique design, perfect for those who want to make a statement with their nail art. Flower nail art designs, delicate and feminine flowers nail art is perfect for spring and summer. Use a small brush to paint intricate details. 3D nail art. Add some dimensions to your nails with 3D nail art. Use nail glue and decorations like rhinestones and beads. Ombre nail art designs are gradual colors transition from darker to light. Use a sponge or a special ombre brush to achieve the effect. Geometric nail art designs are used tape or stickers to create sharp lines and patterns. Perfect for those who love a minimalist look. Nail stamping. Use nail stamping palettes and polish to create intricate designs. Easy to do at home with the right tools. Pastel nail art design, soft and delicate pastel colors and perfect for spring. Use a light touch to create subtle designs. Aura nail art designs use a special technique to create a multicolored aura effect. Perfect for those who want a unique and eye-catching designs. Stay up to date with the latest nail art designs and trends. Try out new designs and techniques to keep your nails looking fresh. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you haven't yet, and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. If you like my today's nail art designs, then hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then do subscribe and visit on my channel once. Hope so you will find more ideas for your nails.